Okay. Hi Ed. When I was setting up my Devo area, man, I learned a lot about Python. Okay. Like writing mathematical commands and functions. For example, I learned about writing print command, working with my var commands etc. That was just an introduction to Spider, Jupyter, Anaconda apps used with Python that I also learned how to set up files under different names like test, devo, prod, trash, file, and how this will help me get organized when working with Python code assignments. I found this experience of setting up my Devo area to be very interesting. However, when there are many steps to do, I find it hard to remember everything. Sometimes when I try to do the things that are taught in the tutorial, I find it hard to resolve difficulties getting the same answers as in the tutorial. Bye, Eddie. Bye, Ed.